is our Einhell belt sander. Very powerful sander, but also comes with some fantastic features. Firstly, we have 3-position handle, plastic dust collector, very innovative lip at the front of the machine, which allows you to sand in and under. Very easy to remove the belt, slides straight off. Powerful motor, but also comes with variable speed. In addition, the dust collector comes off. Comes with an adapter, which you use then to attach to your Einhell vacuum cleaner. Now, you're ready to sand.